Hi everyone! Chances are, if you clicked on this video, you love animals and want to do everything possible to see them stay healthy. You might be wondering what a day in my life as a vet tech student looks like. Well, let me show you. Here we learn to do everything, from conducting physical exams, calculating medications, taking blood work samples,
Very tip.
prepping the pet for their procedures, and finally, checking their vitals at the end. I found my place here at the UH Community Colleges. In addition to their hybrid online curriculum and opportunities to practice my skills in person, I can get my license to begin as a professional right after graduation. I'm grateful to be able to work and live on Hawaii Island and still be able to get my vet tech degree here. I can't wait to get out there and help more animals live a happy and healthy life.